Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra at the moment. But rest assured that Samsung is, even with January's Galaxy S24 launch still fresh in the mind. Work on the next premier Samsung flagship is already well underway. We know this because Galaxy S25 Ultra rumors are starting to emerge, but the tidbits we do have combined with Samsung's track record of smartphone updates should be enough to whet our appetite for more Galaxy S25 Ultra news. And we imagine the pace of rumors will only pick up steam in the coming months. After Samsung put its full effort behind Galaxy AI features for this year's phones, expect that to continue with the Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Ultra. As for Samsung's high-end phone, we're already hearing that some camera improvements could be at the top of Samsung's to-do list, as the phone maker tries to show Apple what it takes to make the best camera phone. It's far too early in the rumor cycle for the Galaxy S25 Ultra to say definitively when the new phone will arrive. Outside of an early 2025 release window, your guess is as good as ours. That said, in recent years, Samsung has been gradually moved up the release date for the Galaxy S series, which used to arrive in the February or March timeframe. This year's Galaxy S24 release was the earliest ever, with the Galaxy Unpacked event taking place on January 17th, and the S24 models shipping 2 weeks later on January 31st. If Samsung moves up the Galaxy S25 Ultra release date any earlier, the launch event would collide with CES 2025, an event where Samsung typically focuses on its TVs and smart home products. So we'd guess that at the earliest, we're looking at another mid-January Galaxy Unpacked event focusing on Samsung's new phones. Samsung raised the price on the Galaxy S24 Ultra this year, charging $1,299 for the phone after the Galaxy S23 Ultra had cost $1,199. That would seem to preclude a price hike for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but the cost premium phones is on the rise. We'll likely hear more about pricing plans toward the end of 2024. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.